Starting the bulletin with big focus on Maharashtra, where Marathi language row is now getting uglier day by day. Maharashtra Navnirman Sena chief Raj Thakre has hit back at Lok Sabha MP Nishikant Dubey over his "patak patak ke marenge," which roughly translates to "we will beat you up mercilessly" remark, and said that he will drown the BJP leader in sea of Mumbai. This MNS leader's remark has now sparked major furore, and look at the reactions coming in.
मराठी लोगों को हम यहाँ पे पटक पटक के मारेंगे, तुम मुंबई में आ जाओ। मुंबई के समुद्र में डूबे डूबे कर मारेंगे।
Now, this open threat comes after earlier this month, Dubey warned opponents that "tumko patak patak ke marenge," which roughly translates to "will thrash you thoroughly," while responding to MNS chief Raj Thakre's call to target Hindi speakers. Listen in.
आप जो इस तरह की घटिया हरकत कर रहे हो, और मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि जब अपने घर में हो, महाराष्ट्र में हो, यदि बहुत बड़े बॉस हो तो चलो बिहार, चलो उत्तर प्रदेश, चलो तमिलनाडु, तुमको पटक पटक के मारेंगे। ये एनार्की जो है नहीं चलेगी। हम मराठी का सम्मान करते हैं, मराठी एक आदरणीय भाषा है, और हम छत्रपति साहू जी महाराज, छत्रपति शिवाजी जी महाराज, पेशवा, सबका जो है तात्या टोपे से लेके सभी का हम सम्मान करते हैं। उन सबों ने, तिलक हों चाहे लाजपत राय हों, सभी ने जो है आज़ादी के आंदोलन में, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले हों, सबसे बड़ा योगदान दिया है। हम तो सभी मराठी स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों का सम्मान करते हैं। महाराष्ट्र के स्वतंत्रता में, हमारी भारत की स्वतंत्रता में बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। लेकिन आज जो वोट बैंक की पॉलिटिक्स, बीएमसी का चुनाव होने वाला है, और ये उद्धव ठाकरे और राज ठाकरे जो कर रहा है, इससे घटिया कोई काम नहीं हो सकता है, और हम इसका प्रतिकार करते हैं।
A day after allies turned adversaries, Uddhav Thackeray and Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis met on Thursday at the Maharashtra Assembly. Uddhav Thackeray was once again asked about the Chief Minister's proposal to join them, to which Uddhav Thackeray jokingly says, "This is inside talk or andar ki baat hai." While the ostensible reason between the two leaders was a discussion about the post of the leader of opposition in the state assembly, the meeting assumed raised eyebrows in view of Mr. Fadnavis' joinous comment yesterday, which Mr. Thackeray was quick to write off as a joke. For more, my colleague Sujata is bringing me and joining us right now.
Maharashtra's political landscape witnessed a new fiery and provocative speech by MNS Chief Raj Thakre, who was today here in Mira Road to address the people of Mira Road as well as his party workers. He started with a direct note onto the incident that happened in Mira Road, where a shopkeeper was beaten up because he refused to speak in Marathi. Raj Thakre clearly stated that the remarks that were given by him deserved the treatment that he got, after which he also spoke about how pro-Marathi he is, and he also spoke about the history that the Marathi language dates back to, and also there were several anti-Hindu remarks that were made by him. So at this point, it is Raj Thakre talking about various topics related to regional identity, to the politicization over language in Maharashtra, and also several other issues that were to be noted for the people of Maharashtra. And this is being witnessed in the backdrop of the upcoming BMC polls as well, talking about how it is the Mahayuti government that can have its government in the Lok Sabha and the Vidhan Sabha, but it is the MNS that is going to have its overall government onto the streets, relating and also showcasing the huge strength and support that they have of people from the Marathi community. And also he stated that people now who are from the Marathi speaking community have to ensure that wherever they go, whoever they meet, they are supposed to start speaking to them in Marathi language, and if they refuse to, they are going to get the treatment that they deserve, and that MNS could be seen doing since the last few days.